Hi guys, welcome to Techavro. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to add a search bar in Wix. So let's go to the Wix first. This is then you have to go to Wix editor page. Okay, this is Wix editor page. You can see here. Now you have to click on this apps, add apps. Then you will find here a search bar. You have to write here Wix search. Sorry, Wix search, not Wix site search. Here you'll find Wix site search. Click on this and then you can see add to site. Click on add to site. It may take some seconds, so hold on. Here you can see that Wix search has been added, and here's the search box, and you'll find the search box on top. Then you can drag it to the search box to anywhere. I'm dragging it to here. Now if you want to edit the search box, you can see here settings, and you can edit from here. You'll find here this design. Click on design. You can make any design you want. Okay, so if I click on preview, you can see the search bar like that. Here you can search anything here. Okay guys, so this is how you can add a search bar in Wix. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.